Happy Thursday, guys. Holy fuck, it's been a while, huh? I really did not trade at all this week, as of yet. So this is a brand new week for me. Obviously, well, first of all, hope you guys are doing well. It has been a minute. We got PPI today. PPI and unemployment. We got some 30-year bond stuff later in the afternoon. This does generally actually bring a okay reaction. So I don't think it's anything to ignore. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, PPI looking to get a nice move from this today. Let me go ahead and yeah, it looks like you guys can hear me. Okay, good. Perfect. So let's go ahead and quick zoom out here. And I'm just going to tell you guys quick to save some time where I think we're headed this morning. Where I think personally we are headed this morning is this buy side in relative equal lows right here. I think we've put in the high of the week. We got SMT divergence with the high with ES. You guys can see here we've rated the high with this high here. ES obviously failed to break above those highs. So we got an SMT divergence with that. I got marked out all the, big opening range gap down here as well. So really looking to trade this toward these equal lows and toward opening range gap, consequent encroachment, big imbalances, etc. So if you guys need me to go further in depth with anything, let me know. But that is what I am anticipating for right now. And to be honest, I think we might have a setup here. Looking at the hourly here quick. Yeah, no. ES is a little bit weaker from the looks of it. Just kind of sifting through these time frames. Getting a quick rebalance in here. Guys, I'm tempted to short right now. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go with one contract for now. Just in case this thing goes. I don't want to get left behind. I'm going to put my stop up here. It's about an 18-point stop. Didn't get a whole lot of time to think about this, so that's why I'm going in with light size. And I'm going off the 30-second fair value gap as my entry here. Just expecting to see price kind of continue quickly down. That's kind of what it's looking like it wants to do. Let's see. Yeah, stop's going to be at 645 and a half. Wanting to see this fair value gap hold. See if we want to continue through all of these relative equal lows stacked down here. Well, that's not good. 1 minute, 5 minute. This is what I was looking through all the time frames for. We do have a 5-minute order block in here. I think I'd rather just get back in though. If price wants to come up into here and then like respect this order block still without breaching the high, I don't want to put my stop all the way up here. Personally. I'd rather just like if that happens, just wait for a reaction and get back in. But yeah, not a great sign so far. Obviously, just inverted the gap that we're shorting from. And then now it's retesting this gap here. See if it holds. I'm just going to let it hit my stop. I'm not going to close early. It's a pretty tight stop as it is. Okay, yeah. So I'm getting stopped out there. Minus 340. Well, that was quick at least. You know what? If you're gonna get fucked, you might as well just do it quick. Just do it fast. You know what I mean? Get it over with. I don't want to suffer. Now we're just forming an SMT with this high right now. It looks like. We'll see if this, like I said, we'll see if it reacts down. I didn't want to put my stop all the way up here. It has just been too big of a stop loss. We'll see here what happens. Obviously a strong bullish reaction. NQ chart, pretty wicky if I do say so myself. You guys can see the, if I turn on regular trading hours here, you can see kind of the logic here. Trying to trade down into all of this. Thursday, end of the week, anticipating here one of these big news events to be what puts in that high of the week. And then you know, kind of corrects back the other direction here. We've been super bullish all week. Huge bullish candle. And obviously the SMT at the highs is part of it as well. So for those reasons, I'm not bullish. I could see maybe being bullish if we had like some pretty prominent SMT at the lows, which I don't think we have yet. Even this last push down, I mean, you can see ES still respecting, right? Never gets above this high, which is where our stop was here. So ES having no issues at all going down. Like I said, can always get back in. Might have to, there's obviously a pretty big imbalance here now on the 1 minutes. Probably wanting to see this inverse before hopping back in, stop at this next high, but yeah, I'm just not wanting to abandon the bias and just flip. I mean, I could be wrong and it could go higher. We're at all-time highs, for fuck's sake. Let's look at this wick. See, do we get down to 50% of this wick just yet? Looks like we got really close at least. Okay, so we didn't quite get that wick yet. That consequent encroachment of this, oh, it's a 10-minute chart. Let me not use that. Same on the 15. Let's look at the 5. Okay, 15, 5, 30. I think it's all the same, roughly. Okay, so if I use the 30-minute chart and use this wick right here, looks like we kissed. Ever so gently kissed that. Okay, now we're getting that reaction. Yeah, so our stop loss might have just literally been the soup. Literally the middle finger. The middle finger to us. As a welcome back to the market, you fucks. That's what it's kind of what it's looking like. All right, guys, if we inverse this gap though, I'm trying again. I'm gonna try a short again. As long as I can get an okay risk to reward, yeah, 18 points. We'll go 2 contracts with this one here. ES still nice move down. Okay, guys, hop it in there. Give it one more attempt here. Give it one more attempt. I'm taking one off as we trade through all of these relative equal stack lows down here, and then this is buy side right here. So this is final TP for me, 582.25. If this idea fails, I'll consider the possibility of a long. Holy shit, I can't talk. I'll consider the possibilities of a long, right? But yeah, I'm not gonna keep forcing this short if it's not there. So this will be my last attempt if this last attempt short here if this gets stopped. I'm thinking. I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty decent about this trade. I mean, it's chopping around here, obviously, but to me, I just I think this looks so clean. I'm not gonna lie. This looks so clean. Get down there, come on. Quit fucking with us. Had it up to here now. Anyway, coffee in hand, hand off the mouse. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Let's see what we get. Market maker's hands now. Well, I think it looks clean. Drop down and get your eagle on, am I right? Come on now. There we go, guys. One partial off there. Go risk-free now. Made back the little loss before with some profit. And now I want to ride this thing to here. 582.25. See, yeah, we kind of got, yeah, that sucks to be us. We got a little shit on here. That's really unfortunate. We literally got, our entry got souped. It never disrespected that high on ES that we were shorting. Yeah, sucks. What do you do? I didn't bring my crystal ball, guys. I didn't bring my crystal ball. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't tell the future. I wish I could. Believe me, I wish I could. Oh, man. Believe you me. Believe you me. Yeah, if this thing can run, guys, we might be done for the day. Easy day at the office. Welcome back. Where's the? I don't know. I gotta go to Amazon, see if I can find a crystal ball for us. Yeah, don't this look real clean? Because I think it does. And we're due for it, man. We can't go up forever. I'm keeping my eye. Okay, guys. I'm watching this low on ES as well. We'll have an SMT divergence if ES takes this out before NQ, which it might do. So it might just be in our best interest to take it all off then. You know, I'm keeping in mind that, like, we're at all-time highs. We still are predominantly bullish, obviously, on the higher time frame. So, just would hate to have something silly happen, getting too greedy, right? Price takes this, and for whatever reason, we don't quite get here, and then we retrace all the way back into the range. I ain't gonna be a dick for a tick, as they say. Slowing up here in the end, dog. Flip that doggy over. Come on. Nice. Very nice. I love how it just teases us like that. It always does that. Always does that. There we go. All right, guys. I'm out. Just snagged the low there. I mean, I do expect NQ to probably continue lower through here. I mean, it is an SMT. I don't really expect it to hold, but it is an SMT, so I'm just respecting it, knowing that we are bullish overall. So I'll be okay with it. Let me know how you guys. Let me know how you guys fared today on those two trades. Obviously, got really unfortunate. It happens. Really unfortunate. Getting turtle souped here. Let me know if you guys are up, down, or sideways today. Everybody should be up, obviously. Hopefully. But yeah, really made us fucking sweat this one out in here. But notice how, like, yeah, there's little imbalances in here, but if you really weren't entering off the, like, this ideology, and like, if you were waiting for, like, this big displacement, you just got absolutely left in the dust. And that hurts, especially after you tried short once already and then you get left behind on the move you wanted. Oh, that always sucks. But yeah, I am very happy with that, guys. I might just call it there. That might be an easy day, folks. Fucking 20 minutes in and out. 25 minutes. Very nice. 46 and a quarter, about 185 ticks. Any questions, guys? That was this is our first Zoom of the week. I feel like I can't just hop off just yet. I feel like I gotta wait a little bit. But I'm happy with that.